Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, Vlogger Yarn! At kung bago man kayo dito sa channel ko, ngayon lang talaga ako magto-talk ng ganito dahil gusto kong i-share yung naging process ko sa pag-a-apply sa Pineapple VA Hub bilang Multimedia Virtual Assistant. Story time! February 2024, nag-render na ako ng resignation sa dati kong work. Chinek ko na yung application process sa site ng Pineapple. Chinek ko na isa-isa para malaman ko kung ano na yung mga sisimulan ko kasi ang haba nga ng process. Nagpakabit na ako ng internet. Yan. Tapos, natagalan talaga ako sa gawa ng portfolio kasi hindi ko na mahanap talaga yung iba kong mga works. Sayang. So, March 20, 2024, nagpass na ako ng application. Andun na yung speed test, cover letter, diploma, yung intro video. Tapos, March 20 din, 11 PM, nag-email ng HR na nire-review na for initial screening yung application ko. E di naghintay ako, girl. Akala ko wala na kasi tagal. Days talagang lumipas. Tapos March 26, akala ko may rejection letter na from HR. Ayun pala, sabi doon I passed the initial screening daw. Tapos on na daw ako for initial interview. Ayun, siguro next video na lang yung initial interview. Sa ngayon kasi, for training na ako, magsisimula siya ng April 5. Mamaya. Ang daming process pa. So, saka na lang yun. So, ipapakita ko na lang muna yung ipinasa kong intro video sa application process. Hey there! And I'm excited to tell you a bit about myself. With a background in news production and multimedia artistry, I've got a knack for creativity in organization. Over the past 2 years, I've honed my skills in news production, mastering the art of multitasking and attention to detail. But that's not all. I've also spent nearly a year as a multimedia artist in a fashion studio where I've let my creativity run wild, crafting visually stunning designs that captivate audiences. When I'm not busy at work, you can find me pursuing my passion for storytelling through vlogging and video editing. I thrive in fast-paced environments and I'm always eager to take on new challenges. I'm excited about the opportunity to bring my unique blend of skills and experiences to your team, Pineapple, and make a positive impact on your company. Thanks for considering me for this opportunity and I can't wait to see what we can achieve together. Siguro tip ko lang, check nyo na yung site. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description. Naghahanap sila ng business virtual assistant, legal virtual assistant, and yun, multimedia virtual assistant. Dati nung nagsasearch ako sa Pineapple Staffing, wala akong nakikitang multimedia virtual assistant na videos. Parang halos lahat business virtual assistant. So ngayon, sana makatulong. Gumawa ako ng multimedia virtual assistant na video. Charot. Next time na lang ulit. Kasi marami pa akong gagawin. Ayun, thank you for watching this video. Kita-kita ulit kapag sinipag ulit akong gumawa ng about sa initial interview.